Hey everyone, I got it. Got this big bobcat skid steer here. Has joysticks on it, has a passcode. Seems pretty fancy. I'm gonna get this turned on and start testing it out. After excavating a basic footprint area for our future house, I decided to push all of this fill dirt over to the west side of the pasture and form some sort of berm. I think that's the appropriate name for this, is sort of a diversion wall to deflect the water that comes down the hill. And this was only my first day out of 7 with a skid steer, so this was all sort of experimental. But after I had a couple hours to test drive this machine, I had my first load of driveway stone delivered to the property. Stay tuned for future videos in the series. If you want to see what else I got done with a skid steer, make sure you subscribe and like the video if you haven't already. Thanks.